Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brindice. If you are new here, I am on a fitness journey and I have lost 100 pounds so far. So if you're curious about my weight loss journey, I will link it down below. Today I'm doing a vlog style video. I'm doing a how to get back on track video because I'm not on track. I have only been working out like maybe twice a week. My diet's been okay, but it hasn't been the best. And I really just want to like kind of kick it into gear today. Let me just give you a rundown of like what I typically do on like my get my together days. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. I don't even know if you can see that. And I need to have a little bit of breakfast before I head to the gym. Today at the gym, I'm gonna do like upper body. And I might do some boxing. I've been into boxing recently. I've only done it like 3 times so far. I like totally messed up my knuckles. I don't know if you can tell. I have a little scab right there. I look so funny because I like just woke up. But I have like this scab in my hand from boxing, and then I had these like 2 huge gross blisters on my fingers, and they're now like pretty healed, and I really want to try to box again today, so I think I'm gonna do that. And then I need to go get a scan done. So this scan tells me all the different numbers of my body. So it'll show me like my body fat percentage, my muscle mass, what else will it show me? My weight. I really like to do this when I am like kind of off track. So I'm going to get a scan and then I have to go grocery shopping. So I am going to bring you guys along today and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right now I am just gonna go make 3 eggs. Yeah, so let's go. Okay. Oh, and right when I woke up, I chugged like probably like 20 ounces of water just because it helps you get going for the day. So I'm just gonna start making some eggs. It's really dark. Okay, so I just ate my breakfast. I had 4 eggs in an English muffin. I love like chugging water right when I wake up, and it just kind of helps like wake you up even more. It just gives you like a little boost of energy. I have my pre-workout ready. I need to put some water on it, and then I'm just gonna head to the gym. The pre-workout I use is called Havoc. It's from like a local nutrition store in my town. I don't know if you can like buy it online, but yeah, it's called Havoc. I like it. It is a little bit intense for me. I use like half a scoop to 3/4 a scoop. I'm heading to the gym. If you're wondering where my workout outfit is from, so my sports bra is To The Collapse. This is Gymshark. And these as well are To The Collapse. They are, here, let me try to show you. They have pockets. They're pretty cute. They have pockets in them. I like the pocket because you can like put your phone in them when you're working out. These are super high-waisted because I'm tall, so my hips are so high. Like, this is like the top of my hips, and no leggings ever go high enough for me. So these are like perfect, and I love how high-waisted they are. They're like completely sweat proof, squat proof and sweat proof, and I freaking love them. They are a little bit expensive. I think these are $70, but these are gonna last me so long. If you guys have any recommendations though for workout clothes, please leave it down below in the comments because I do wanna expand on my workout clothes. I wanna try more brands and see what's out there because I've only tried Gymshark, To The Collapse, and then I have a few Alpha Elite tops, but I don't have any of their bottoms, so I definitely want to try those. Now I'm just gonna get all my things ready, brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna head out the door. So I'll see you guys in my car or like at the gym. Okay, so I just got to the gym and it's like 9:20ish. I like to go a little bit earlier when I can, like 8:30, 8 o'clock, but the place where I get my scan doesn't open until 11. So I had to like kind of base it on that because it's like 2 minutes away from my gym. I thought it was gonna be really busy, but it's not, thankfully. I'm just gonna chug my pre-workout, but first I wanted to talk about gym intimidation because when I posted my weight loss video, I had so many people ask me like how to not be scared to go to the gym, and it is intimidating, and I completely have been there and I still am there sometimes. Everyone at the gym had to start with knowing nothing. No one is born knowing how to do everything perfect at the gym, knowing correct form, knowing correct workouts. So if you're feeling insecure at the gym, not knowing what you're doing, everyone has to learn. If someone they're not being so nice, like maybe making fun of you, they're not at the gym to better themselves. They're at the gym for that exact reason, to put people down, make themselves feel better about themselves. Don't let some person at the gym and make you feel like you can't accomplish your goals because you're not good enough. Because you are good enough, you can do it, just ignore them, focus on yourself. 10 years from now, you know, do you really want to look back and be like, yeah, I stopped going to the gym, I stopped trying to reach my goals because this person that I'm never gonna see ever again in my whole entire life, that means nothing to me, said this. None of that matters. Just focus on yourself. Don't let other people get to you at the gym. I've been there, I know what it feels like. Just focus on yourself. Now with that little encouragement, I'm going to chug my pre-workout. So this pre-workout, oops, I have no idea what flavor it is, but I'm gonna chug this now. And we're gonna go freaking work out. All right, so I'm gonna do upper body. I'm gonna try to get some clips in my workout today because I think I will be able to, because it's not very, well, I just talked so fast. The pre-workout's already kicking in. I'm gonna try to get some clips today because it looks pretty dead. And I'm also gonna box, I think maybe for like 20 minutes. Wait, where are my gloves? Oh no! Where's my other glove? I only have one glove. Found the glove. I'm gonna box. Gym time. Hola, I just finished at the gym. I'm really tired and sweaty and hot. I got a few clips for you guys. It got super busy right when I like started to try to film my workout. So I got a few clips for you guys. I also got a boxing clip. I am not very good. I'm like practicing my form a lot. This nice man actually helped me. He told me to tuck in my thumbs. So insert that in here. I'll insert all my clips in, and then I'll make a little workout in my notes, and then you guys can screenshot it. I'll like put it right here or something so you guys can give it a shot. So now it's almost 11. I was there for about an hour and a half. It was a pretty good workout. I'm gonna go get my scan and I'm gonna film it for you guys. Now we're going to the nutrition store. So I am at the nutrition store and I'm about to do the scan, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is an in-body scan. It's very fancy. And I'll show you guys like how I do it in a second.
Measuring your weight. Do not grab the handles or grab the handles. Place your thumbs on the oval electrodes. Keep your arms straight, starting your in-body test.
Okay, so I showed like a little clip of kind of what the scan looks like. There was a lot of people in there and it was kind of busy, so I didn't want to bother anyone. Here is my scan. I'm gonna take a good picture and then I'll place it here. When you're off track, your numbers are gonna change. You're gonna maybe gain weight, maybe lose weight, maybe lose muscle, gain fat, you know, that kind of stuff happens. There's no reason to be afraid of the numbers because you are in complete control of them. You can change anything you want. I know it's scary to weigh yourself or like go get a scan and show like every single number of your body, but don't be scared. That's how you can make your progress, and you can track your progress and see how you're doing and like see what you need to change, see what is helping. My weight is 206.3. Usually with scans, it's best to do it before you drink any water or eat food or work out. So mine is a little bit inaccurate right now. But I just wanted to do it anyway, no matter what the numbers look like, because again, I'm in complete control and I can change whatever I want to change. So my weight is 206.3. My skeletal muscle mass is 69.2. That is, I believe, how much muscle you have on your body. My body fat percentage is 39.7. My big goal basically for 2020 is to lose fat and gain muscle because I want to lower my body fat percentage. It is quite high, especially because I've already lost 100 pounds. What I need to work on is a regular diet, so I am eating enough food more regularly so I can lower my body fat percentage. We got the numbers and it's okay, so because I can change it. So now I'm just going to head to the grocery store now that I have my scan and my workout done. So let's head to the grocery store. Okay, so I am back home now. The grocery store was insane because we're supposed to get a whole bunch of snow. I'm from like the Seattle area, and yeah, they're forecasting a whole bunch of snow, so a lot of things that I wanted were actually not there. They're like out. In total, I spent $47.64. I have fresh produce that lasts me like a couple days that I buy more frequently, and then I have like my cupboard staples. So I'll show you guys what I get. Got a big thing of hummus because I eat hummus a lot with like veggies. It's a really good snack. I love hummus and veggies so much. I got more oat milk. This is the milk I use for oatmeal, cereal, smoothies, anything that you are supposed to put milk in. I can't have dairy. I'm lactose intolerant. So then I have these protein bars. They're from Cliff. They're like Cliff Builders protein, and each bar has 20 grams of protein in it. The macros are 9 grams of fat, 31 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein, so it's pretty well balanced. I have like one of those a day most of the time. I also get these Lara bars. They're dairy free as well. Also the Cliff bars are dairy free, but I just got 6 of them because I still have some in my cupboard. But I like to stock up on bars because they're just a great like on the go snack if you don't have the ability to like bring a whole meal with you or eat a meal before you have to go. Just a great thing to have handy when you are a busy person. I always have some type of like dried fruit, like or like banana chips or dried mango. So I got some dried mango. This is my favorite kind because it's not dry mango. It's still like dried, but it's still like chewy and like it tastes like mango still. I got 2 onions. I also got 2 peppers. These did not look very good at the store. I don't know if it's like because of the season, but I just got 2 and they're honestly really expensive. It was like $2 for one. Whatever, but I needed peppers. And then I just got 2 big avocados. I got the last bag of spinach in the whole store, so that was pretty lucky. It was actually in the wrong section. So it was a blessing. What I do is I don't prep every meal individual because I just feel like it kind of like toward the end of the week it doesn't taste as fresh and I just don't want to eat it. Like I just waste the food. I meal prep my ingredients for the week, so I like chop up all my veggies. So I'm just gonna do that now, and then I just put it in Tupperware containers and I store it in my fridge. So it's super easy, super convenient. I'm also gonna boil up a few eggs for like salads during the week. I will kind of show you guys when all of my prep is done, like what it looks like and like how much it is and all that kind of stuff. So I have all of my veggies prepped. So I have mushrooms, peppers, onions, and 1 pound of ground turkey, hard-boiled eggs here, and then I have black beans soaking. You soak these overnight and then boil them for like 4 minutes the next day. And right now I am just making my lunch, so I will show you guys how I do that. So I just kind of eyeball it and I put all my veggies in. So onion, pepper, mushroom. And then I just saute all of those up, and then I add in about a ½ pound of ground turkey in that. Then I'm going to add in some spinach as well for some greens. This is a volume meal, basically just like a lot of food, but it's less calories. Keeps you full for a really long time. I will show you guys the meal once it's all done. This is my meal when it's all done, so it's very full. As you can see, it's a full bowl. It's a volume food for sure. Hello from my room. Okay, so I just ate my lunch. I'm like so full. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. Now I'm just going to plan my week. When I'm like off track, it's because I don't have a schedule. I have nothing to follow. I don't have a routine. So right now my routine is changing like crazy. I was working full time and now I'm just gonna be working part-time. So that is awesome for me because I love working out in the morning. I'm just really excited to be able to like plan really in depth like my schedule because I am a big planner. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how I do it. This is my current schedule right now, and I just use the calendar like on my MacBook, and it connects to my phone as well. I just work 3 days a week. I work at a salon. I am a makeup artist and a receptionist and a spray tan artist, so I do a few things, but I just cut back my hours. I worked out today. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna work out tomorrow. I think what I'm gonna do is do a early morning workout. I work at 9 and it takes me roughly like an hour and a half to like shower and get ready. So I go to the gym. I leave my house at 5:15. So I'll just go gym. 5:30, but I'll do travel time. It takes me about 15 minutes in the morning to get there, and I'll be there until 7. and then I'll leave my house, and this is when I shower and get ready, and then I eat breakfast, and then I go to work. And you see I have like breakfast, lunch, and dinner on my computer. I set that as a reminder for myself to try to remember to eat all 3 meals a day. I get really forgetful when I'm at work, especially because I'm just like working all day. So I have reminders on my calendar already. So I'm just gonna fill in my schedule, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like. I just really like schedules. I'm a really visual person, so it just helps me feel and stay more organized. It makes me kind of feel like I have a plan, like I already know what I'm doing every day. Okay, so I just finished filling out my calendar, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is basically like my schedule so far. I have the gym Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. My 2 rest days are Tuesday and Friday, but if I want to work out one of the days, I totally can. So like I said, I'm a very schedule oriented person. So for the rest of the day, I just kind of hang out. I'm like about to shower because I just worked out and I haven't showered yet. So I'm gonna go shower. On these days, I make sure I reset and like clean everything. So my room is already really clean. I did it a couple days ago because I really needed to clean my room. So I wash all of my clothes. I make sure it's spotless. Dust, I like clean my mirrors. I do like everything, vacuum, change my sheets. Like doing that just like kind of helps you, like it's like, oh, fresh start. Oh, we got this. Like we can do it. Everything is in its place right now. You don't have to have this crazy of in-depth of a schedule as I do. That's just how I like to do it. Whatever works for you, do that. So I wanted to also talk about water intake. Right now it's, what time is it? It is 2:30 and I've drank 2 hydro flasks. Yeah, 2 hydro flasks. That's like half a gallon of water. I'm honestly kind of behind, so I'm just gonna drink up some water. This is a hydro flask, 32 ounces. That's like how I track my water. I just filled this up, so this is number 3. So I'm just gonna drink up and I'm just gonna hang out and chill. I will see you guys in a bit. For dinner, I am having chicken breast, green beans, and potatoes. So this is my dinner. I'm just having some chicken, potatoes, and fresh green beans. And these potatoes are just oven roasted. There's just like garlic, salt, avocado oil. So I'm just gonna eat up my dinner and then I'm just chilling the rest of the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you got something from this that can help you guys in the future with your goals and what you guys want to achieve. So I am just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun filming today and I'm excited to keep posting, so make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on like the bell notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!